Our daughter runs a licensed home daycare.
It's pretty shabby look.
And this is the play yard.
Problems are there is no gates.
Got $1,000 to spend.
We can't put posts in the ground.
We have to get this done in one weekend.
I'm gonna forget later.
Let's go shopping. One gate kit. We need fencing.
Here's the one here. This is 2x4 by 48.
But they only have one. I want that fence.
No.
Why?
No.
Why?
That's normal black chain link that you gotta stretch the living bejesus out of to do it. We don't have any solid foundation.
Like, do you think they would have more options down in the garden center?
No, this stuff.
I found this fence. They look a little bit nicer. They've got a plastic coating on them, which feels safer for the kids. There's 2 of them. This is what we're going to take. Good to go. And we still gotta add the blocks. These ones gives us more of the. You think we should get those ones?
Wow, these ones are solider. These ones are way deeper. This is half the depth. Put this in here and we fill it full of PL premium. It ain't gonna go anywhere.
So we spent in total $1,022.41 plus tax, giving our grand total to $1,155.32. We had a $1,000 goal, and I think that's pretty good.
The other ones are unfortunately are going to be above ground more because they're not going to be as deep because the ground slopes like this.
Tell me about why we had to dig all the holes for the bricks. What was your logic in us digging all the holes and to
piss you off? No, the reason to do it was so that we could, 1, to get them level, the bricks level, 2, to get them lower to the ground so the little ones couldn't get underneath the fence.
project needs to start with a new tool. About 2 hours left of work to do, so we gotta get moving.
top rails we ended up using 5/4 pressure treated. The reason we did it is because we didn't dig the post in the ground, so we ended up having to do it on the top side to give it some support.
When we did the gate, we did end up digging 2 holes for 2 posts.
It was dug by hand in case we did come across anything. I took it easy and went slow. I don't know, I was going to say.
I'm sure I can.
You should.
Yeah,
Put
you're
it high enough.
Oh yeah. I'm just so excited.
It's 10 o'clock. We just got home. It's a 12-hour day. We're way too old for this. But we got it done. We're exhausted. A little sunburnt, but we feel good. She's happy. It looks great. The kids are gonna love it, and we got it done. And then a couple of days later, we went back and put a second layer of support on the top.
Yeah, we put another layer of the 5/4 all the way around the top. Same thing, 16 foot, but we overlapped the joints to make it stronger, and it stiffened it up a lot and anchored it. We put those couple anchors into the house as well.
Yep.
Anchored it on the end of the house and put the top boards on, and now it's very secure. Pretty solid.